Europe. Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's Dex Media. A long time I'm going to update on the farm. I've decided today I'm going to update and see what I go on the farm. And realize that I sweat, it's a hot day here in Jamaica. So hopefully you want to enjoy that video. And remember to subscribe. And big up everybody who comment on the last video. Yeah man, a mad thing. Basically as you can see, when I go out and tied on this one. Basically this is a nice orange tree as you can see. It's rare. It have a navel on it. Yeah, it's very rare. Be enough too. But basically none of them are ready yet still, as you can see. You're not really ready yet. But I'm glad to say beer up, man. Cause more while it take a while for beer up. You look like she picky, yeah, one right on the left on in front with you. But look like she picky for you. Oh, courage there, you know. You have to watch out for them courage, sting hot. What should I do first? Look on the fold them or? Look on the fold them first. Alright. Alright, so basically, I gotta check on the fold them to see what's going on with them. See if they're good. Basically, they want feeding. Them man, they want feeding and they want water. So basically, as you can see, I give them a small amount of feeding. I'm going to eat one thing, so just some water. I need to full up for them now. And basically, I eat that for the day. So basically, I'm giving them water now, as you can see. Alright, so basically, yeah, I'm gonna put the water in this now, as you can see. Make sure to wash it out though. Yeah man, I'm mad thing, man. Alright, so basically them have the water, you know, and everything. So I'm gonna leave this fold pen now because the folding good. So let's see what's going on in the farm. Cause a long time we're not going to update on the farm. Alright. Come on. Nah, come up. cane tree them over there, so only for cane I heard. Yeah. And they find them gone in, you know. Only for pine there again. Yeah guys, so you know say it's a Sunday. So I want to make some juice. And them a nice guava. You see it?
So what kind of juice you make? Guava.
This is some plum up the road there.
Yeah.
Put it together.
But juice is Sunday dinner then.
Yeah. Right, and
Mask it and see.
yeah, people, I'm gonna try one of them and see how good it is. See if it's sweet or if it's sour. See if inside it's purple. Sweet. Sweet is guava this man tell people. Sweet A bit more and more.
Let's see bag. Keep couple more, yeah.
More couple more things, it's strong.
Yeah. Can't forward though, man. Can't forward. Yeah.
Alright. See the people? Yeah man, good amount. From within all of it.
Eh?
Pepperkin again?
Ah,
No.
that's it.
Breadfruit, one little breadfruit already, you know. So young. Pepperkin over the summer, but
Oh, it's in it.
one more.
Pepper egg pan them.
What's wrong with you?